Hey, Anissa Coy here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Anissa video column. And this week, our question came in from Tina. And Tina said, Anissa, I just found your channel the other day. How is that possible? Now that I've looked into you and you are obviously the go-to gal when it comes to fire and, well, I do fire. Your advice is so good on so many levels. And I have a question for you. In a world so full of information that is literally bombarding our clients every single day, how do you recommend that we get seen and heard through all that noise when it comes to marketing? Thank you so much for all you do. Can't believe I just finally found you. And I appreciate all that you do for the industry, and I look forward to you hopefully answering my question on your next Ask Anissa video column. Well, there you go, Tina. I am answering your question, and thank you so much for sending it in. It's a really good one. And you know, right now, I'm filming this video in August of 2020. And to say right now that people at home and our clients are getting bombarded with information online would, well, be literally an understatement. There is so much noise out there on the internet, in people's email boxes, that it's really a challenge, if you will, to be sure that you are heard. So I'm really glad that you asked me that question. And honestly, it's really quite simple. There's a few things that you need to keep in mind when you're going out there and producing, whether it's video or emails or blog posts for your clients. The number one biggest thing that you need to make sure that you're doing is that you are completely relevant right now, right here for your client. You know, so many times I see messages that will come out and people that are saying, hey, use my service. You know, we have this special going on right now. We have this discount. Like, what is it that you're saying in your message that is really of a huge benefit to your client? Right now, people are very concerned about things being contactless with their interactions, or that you have big safety protocols in place in your business to not only keep your customers safe, but to keep your employees safe. And right now, being relevant means you're addressing the elephant in the room, which is COVID-19. Now, that could change. Obviously, hopefully, it will change for us all soon and be not such a hot topic, and yet it's probably going to be something in the back of your clients' minds for a long time to come, if not from this day forward. So use this opportunity to get in front of them by giving them information that will mean something to them. Don't put out information when you're marketing that just says, hey, use my services. I'm the best price in town. We have a big sale 2-for-1 right now. That is not what people are concerned about right now. People are concerned about safety right now. So be relevant. The second biggest thing you can do to get heard over all of this noise that's going on right now is to create incredible, immense value. You need to give so much value up front to your clients before they ever become your client that it's like a no-brainer that when they need your services, you are the person they're going to call. We call it creating reciprocity. You know, I have people that call me, restoration companies that will call me, come to my hands-on class, or do my online course, or hire me for coaching and consulting, that have been watching my videos or reading my blog posts or getting my emails for years. So I was very relevant to them. I give a ton of value up front. And at some point, if my clients need my service, they will reach out. So the way to get heard, the way to really get out there amongst all the noise and be the voice that really means something to your client is to create incredible value, be incredibly relevant, and be consistent. That's kind of the third piece of this. Be consistent. Put out video. If you don't have a YouTube channel right now, you're crazy. I've been saying this for a long time. Now more than ever, in the year of 2020, if you don't have a YouTube channel, you are missing out. And use that YouTube channel not to sell your clients, but to give them value. I want you to kind of shift in your mind that you're not trying to sell people in your marketing. You're trying to show them what's in it for them. What's in it for them if they call your company and use your services? Really think about that. They don't care about certifications necessarily. They don't care about all the cool latest equipment that you have. Like, I mean, they care about it, but it's not their number one priority. What they really care about, the number one question that you need to answer in all of your contacts with your clients, whether it's video, written, or whatever, is what's in it for them. Articulate and let them know what is in it for them if they do business with your company. And right now, well, I think that message is pretty clear. They need to understand what you're doing to keep them and their family safe. What are you doing, and can you very well articulate what you are doing to keep your employees and your staff safe? Educate clients. Give them a solid, reliable source of information that every time they see information from you, whether it's video or written, they get very clear. One, you care about them. Two, you're an expert and you really know what you're talking about. And three, your number one priority is to provide them value up front before ever asking them for money. Okay? I promise you, if you do that, Tina, in the middle of all of this chaos, in the middle of all of the noise, you'll be the one that stands out. Okay? Well, Tina, I hope that answered your question, and I really appreciate you emailing me. You guys are just sending tons of questions right now, so please be patient, bear with me. I will get your question featured on Ask Anisa. And on that note, be sure that you are subscribed to the YouTube channel. Be sure that you are subscribed to rnrmagonline.com so that you get the digital version of the magazine every month when it comes out. And be sure that you are subscribed to rnrmagonline.com's e-newsletter so that you get this and tons of other wonderful goodies in your email inbox every Friday. All right, on that note, you know what to do. Email those questions, Anisa@firehouseeducation.com, and I just might feature you on next week's Ask Anisa video column.